Electronics. The field of electronics is a branch of physics and electrical engineering that deals with the emission, behavior, and effect of electronics using electronics devices. Electronic uses active devices to control electron flow by amplification and rectification, which distinguishes it from capac- capacitance and inductance to control electric current flow. History and development. Electronics has hugely influenced the development of modern society. The identification of the electron and in 1897, along with the subsequent invention of the vacuum tube, which could amplify and rectify small electrical signals, inaugurated the field of electronics and the electron age. Practical application started with the invention of the diode by Ambrose Fleming and the triode by Lee de Forest in the early 1900, which made the detection of small electrical voltage such as radio signal from a radio antenna possible with a non-mechanical device. Vacuum tubes, thermonic valves were the first active electronic component which controlled current flow by influencing the flow of individual electrons. They were responsible for the electron revolution of the first half of the 20th century. They enabled the construction of equipment that use current amplification and rectification to give us radio, television, radar, long distance telephony, and much more. The early growth of electronics was rapid, and by the 1920s, commercial radio broadcasting and communications were becoming widespread, and electronic amplifiers were being used in such diverse applications as long distance telephony and the music recording industry. The next big technological step took several decades to appear when the first working point contact transistor was invented by John Barden and Walter House-Brattain at Bell Labs in 1947. However, vacuum tubes played a leading role in the field of microwave and high power transmission as well as television receivers until the middle of the 1980s. Since then, solid state devices have all but completely taken over.